So hi guys, it's another day and another food trip's coming up. And today I'm with my Sun LTE family. We have Michael Marmolet, we have Maria Gante, So our first stop sa among food crawl is there is Abaca Baking Company sa TGU Tower. So we'll see. We'll have, I guess, our brunch here or breakfast pala for our first meal of the day. Familiar mo ng fortune cookies? So actually there is a Abaca Baking Company. Kanilang kape nasa mo ng fortune coffee. So na message ang imong coffee. So ang message ako amo ni. Old ways won't open new doors. Pero awa ang message para ni Lourdes. Awa yung message. Yung message ha? Ano yung fortune?
This girl.
Hope. Hold on, pain ends. Wow, awa na. Tanaw na itong fortune ni... Tanaw na itong fortune ni Maria Higante. Ano ba yung fortune?
Be a voice, not an echo.
Michael Carlo
Here now. Oh yeah, the messages are so good.
Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will.
Ooh, yeah, very deep. Tanaw na ito kung tinuod maganda. So hi guys, this is Pat. Okay?
What's up?
So where can we catch you?
Now?
I mean later, I mean tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'm gonna be at the Sun event, the concert.
Yes.
Are you gonna be there?
Yes, at Puente guys. So starts at
Puente.
9. Puente Osmeña for the Sun Sinulog event.
Yes.
Yeah.
See you guys there.
Alright. So our second stop for our Sun Cellular food crawl is here in House of Lechon. So House of Lechon is a lechon restaurant that sells also the car style of lechon. The car lechon is different because they basically keep the sauce so that you can put it over rice or even pour it over your lechon. So it's sauce here. It's some people find it tastier and saltier. So let's see how's the lechon here at the House of Lechon.
Crispy chicken skin of sinigang kanina.
Just arrived. We are still here at the House of Lechon, and that is crispy chicken skin, you guys. Oh no. Oh my god. It's the kuwante pang car na special lechon.
Speciality.
Nice spicy lechon, kuya.
Ay, nice.
Yes. Dapat ipadoon na ko ang lechon.
No carbs in Abaca. It's not every day naman.
So today I'm gonna be expecting empty plates from empty plates. So ipakita ni Maria Higante, Miss Maria Higante, kung saan pagkaon og lechon sa usa ka beauty queen.
Because I believe I thank you.
Karon sa ipakita ni Miss Lourdes Maglente, kung saan pagkaon og lechon sa usa ka best pop queen.
It's so good.
Pakita ni Michael Carlo sa pagkaon sa usa ka food blogger na keto.
Oh my god, that's like the beauty guru way.
We just had lunch, and now I'm gonna ask my friends from Manila, what lechon do they prefer? Is it the Karkar lechon or the spicy ones?
As long as it's lechon, bro.
Spicy para hot. I don't.
Which do you prefer, the spicy lechon or the Karkar lechon?
Of course, spicy. Super love spicy. As in, I love spicy food.
We just finished our lunch here, so on to our third stop. Guys, for the third stop of Sun Cellular food crawl, we end up here at 10 DC or 10 Dove Street Confectionery. So after having a delicious sandwich at Abaca Baking Company and a lunch, a hearty lunch from House of Lechon, we end up here at 10 DC or 10 Dove Street Confectionery for some desserts and coffee. So let's go. So I'm gonna have Nilosco, whatever is Nilosco. So I decided to have some Nilosco.
Maragod ka na dito. Huwag mo nila. Kung Maria picture din na. Hi! Mother of the lost child.
Oh, this is cute. Hi, mommy. Hi. Nila ako best friend. Ato mo sa yung best friend Carlo. Hindi ka tayo siya kumuha ako mag-ibang birthday ka. Umamang pa siya. So, namisa sa tudluan ko niya sa akong makeup. Karoon nga adlaw sa mag-rehearsal sa balay. Pag papalit ako tanan ng kailangan. Yun na. Sa batong siya.
So by the way guys, really I enjoyed the desserts here at the end of the streets. I got the Nilosco. Dayon, I guess, ang ako mga friends, want to pa sila silang next stop, which is Larsian, but I gotta top out kay I've been eating a lot in the past few days and I have to have a rain check because napay may mga events for Sun. By the way, this tomorrow, I mean today, Friday, January 18 sa Puente at 9 PM. Check out the different acts sponsored by Sun Cellular. Kita-kita to sa Puente og nasa na mga influencers dito like Patsugi and the Manila influencers plus your local influencers like Maria Gigante, Lourdes Maglinte. We have Jusian Kaila, Michael Carlin, yours truly, Vanessa East, Sinjin Pineda, og Alberto Wando daghan pa. So mag-party, maglingaw-lingaw ta karong Friday night. Sinulog Friday, samtang wala pa'y signal. Let's enjoy the Sinulog, the Sun night there at Fuente Osmeña. Pit Senior guys, and I hope to see you there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe now. And also subscribe to the different social media accounts of my friends. Thank you so much for watching the Sun Cellular food trip coverage by Kalami, Cebu. And see you in the next event. Bye-bye!
Hello there, my Cebuano friends. It's me, Pat Sugi. I would like to thank you guys for having me here in Cebu. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account at PatSugi. It's PATSUGUI. Thank you.
You can follow me on my Instagram. It's at I'mAngelYo, and I'm also starting my YouTube channel. It's AngelYo. See you guys.
Hi guys, follow me Calls Vidal on Instagram and on Facebook. Kasi we're the